Okay, so let's finish up number 7. So this one is a little different. They give us a graph of a derivative, and they tell us f of 2 equals 10, so that's x1 and y1, that's our point. Find the local linearization of our function at x equals 2. Okay, so we get y minus y, m x minus x. 1, sorry. Okay, so we know our y value is 10. Now our slope is at 2. So at x equals 2, this is the graph of our derivative, and so we know it's about right here. So we know it's not 2. I'm going to guess it's either 3 or 4. So I'm just going to put a 3 here, but I'll put a little question mark because it's on purpose. It's not given any other notch values, okay? Because we don't know the x value we want in general, we're going to keep that as x, and our x1 value is 2. So we get y is 3x minus 2, and then we'll add 10. Now, I could have guessed, like, oh, maybe my slope was 2.5, 3.4. We don't really know, but because it's an approximation, we know our slope's not a half. Those both have a half. Here's 3 and 3 and 10. We know our slope's not at 10. We can't go from 2 to 10 because scales are pretty accurate. If that much is 2, that much can't be 8 more. So 3 was a good guess. And let's clean this up. So because they did. So 3x minus 6 plus 10. So 3x plus 4. Okay, so see how sometimes we don't have the exact information? So we might have to use some of the information in the process to get it. They cleaned it up just because that's typical, and it wasn't terribly long to do. All right.